hump on the side of my head. Welcome to day 2 of Vlogmas. We're here at Canary Hotel. So today's day of filming. We're filming the boutique hotel. It's really nice. It's like a business hotel. So we want to highlight like all of the business features and everything that comes with it. It's so conveniently located as well. It's off Kira Road. But I'm gonna let y'all watch my video to get the deets. But for now, we're here. And Samantha, my friend, she's always in such Christmas spirit. She's like with me on that whole commercialized friggin' diaspora in Christmas. So it's nice to not be alone in that. Anyway, let's get to work. It's not enough rambling. All right, so this is everything we have set up for the shoot. So outfits with accessories on the side, wedges here as well. We have our audio set up, shoes at the bottom. Try to stay organized as much as possible. Prisca's there as well. My new PA. Yeah, I'm busy today. You look gorgeous.
I'm so serious. I like put my notes in my head.
Okay.
Ready? Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where we're all about leveling up, elevating, and living our absolute best life. Oh, turn around. Okay. You ready? Yada. Tell me when you're recording. Yada.
Ooh, what a nice day. I don't want to get my phone stolen, so I'm trying to limit what I'm videoing right now. Let me show you guys my team. I love them. Look at my hustlers out there. They're getting like signs and all of that fun stuff done. And it's busy. Kira Road at what time is it? I think it's like 9:30 now. It's actually not bad. Usually it's like back to back all through here. So it's not the worst. But isn't this convenient? This is so dope. To make life easier, do you want me to just cross into the shop?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's okay. What you want?
Okay.
Okay, come.
We're good? Okay. Just make sure it doesn't say anything. Do it this way. Do you want me to do it again? Wait. Do you want me to do it again?
Wait, I can't see.
And then I think the only other thing, hang on, can you see her purse in my bag? Oh, wait. Okay, just do that again, sorry. Okay, go. Am I shiny? Oh, shiny. Doesn't this look so nice? Is that a tomato in a rose? For future, this is how I want to eat all my tomatoes. It's so pretty. So we've changed. This is actually the outfit I was trying on her fashion box yesterday. We're just getting ready in the background to do bar shots. Then we're gonna do food shots inside. So all of that will be B-roll. And they've gotten rid of the tarp part because it's really sunny. I want to show you guys. It's so nice. So I'm so used to this being shaded because it's been such rainy season lately. Didn't notice it's so bright. Guys, this is giving me Europe vibes. Let me show you my favorite table, by the way, because it's just giving. I'll show you why it's giving. So this is my favorite table. It's right by the main door and entrance. That's my table. And this is why it's my favorite. First of all, lighting is always good here. You have the tree in the background. It looks like a bistro. Am I in Italy or am I in Uganda? I don't know. But I love it. And they have white tables, so you can take like a lot of food pics here, and it's still aesthetically pleasing. Guys, content is always on my mind, always. So yeah, if you take pictures of anything like this, I want this on my balcony and my future home. Like, this is the color. This is what I want. This is giving. This could also be a favorite table because of the, you know, the trees in the background, but usually there's a buffet there. So this is mainly for getting your food. But yeah, we have Moja hard at work. Of our dear actor today, Joseph, server. I love it. But yeah, Canary Hotel, guys. And if you ever want to watch sports, it's always an option as well. Christmas decor. Usually there's Christmas music playing as well. So we're actually doing really good with time. However, now we have to wait for the bartender to come. So it gave us a bit of a break. But we're also filming food, like the B-roll. So that's the thing about creating sometimes you just like go. Like I love being go, and then you kind of get in a standstill, but it is what it is. It's okay. We still had a schedule. We're gonna get everything done, which is great. And then we'll also have like a little bit of a food break, which is necessary. None of us have eaten yet, and that also is a thing. You're just go, and I think I had water and tea. That was it, and that samosa. I had a samosa. That was it. But yeah, we're just about to start. Thank you so much. There's another one. What is it? A side dish? A salad. Get comfy at this bar. So gorgeous bar down here. Everything your heart desires in this Kampala. I was gonna say streets. I'm not trying to be ghetto. Sorry. Hello, Moesha. And that's a wrap on Moesha. We're just gonna do now photos and reels and whatnot downstairs. Hot mess that's happening here. So now we're off to do pictures. This is my first fit. It's so cute, guys, isn't it? Rashida has the best pieces. Her fashion box, y'all. In Crane Plaza, beside Acacia, if you didn't know. Guys, it's a wrap. You can tell it's a wrap because my hair is psychotic. Me and Priska are just organizing things because we have tomorrow as well to shoot. But it's more in the morning. It's quick stuff. I'm going to go deal with my memory cards and all that down in the lobby because I just want to be around people. There's so much jam. Let me show you guys. So this room faces the street. It's on the lower level because we're doing so much changing. That's a standstill going into town. Like, yikes. And even going that way, going towards Ntinda. Like, do you guys see this? It's not for me. But poor Priska has to go back. Sorry, girl. Oh my god, guys. I'm finally enjoying these drinks. They have melted because it's been a while. But so good. So good. I think today was a good day. I hope it's an interesting Vlogmas. This is pure work. But good day. Okay, guys. I'm showing you the randomness of Uganda. So my cousin's now coming. I guess we're going to out. I had to come up to my room to get heels and proper jewelry because it's me and I care. And I need heels because I don't go anywhere without heels. It's a bit weird. It's off-brand, right? Anyway, I have to obviously look proper. I don't really like what I'm wearing, but I don't have any other options. I didn't plan to go anywhere. And tomorrow I need to be like on point. It's just hilarious, the randomness of this night. December is Decembering. I hope it's not just this week. Like, I hope we keep the same energy throughout. But he's so funny. So I'm a grandma, and that's why I wanted to laugh. I was like, I don't care what happens to me. He literally has a 3-bedroom apartment. He lives by himself, and I was like, even if I stay there, one thing I know is I need my glasses and contacts. If I die on Bandali, just best believe I won't be red-eyed. I'll have my shit together, you know? Actually, let me see if I even brought my eye drops. But tomorrow I know I need to be back. I'm gonna actually tell my PA now. I'll be like, oh, let's come at 11. Just spoke. Yeah, she's gonna watch this. But anyway, we're gonna meet at 11. December is Decembering. We need to be, you know. Anyway, so I have my bag. I have my shoes. Worst case, if I don't make it back in this luscious bed. Oh, my charger. Or my charger. My fan, which is here. Okay, so I have my fan, which fits in this bag. I need more bags this size. I was telling my PA that because it was like, listen, December is Decembering, and I need to take my fan everywhere. So my fan, I have my fan charger, my phone charger, contacts just in case I don't make it back, so I can like live life, and then I'll be back in the morning. Worst case scenario. So I love my cousin, but he's 24, so who knows what we're getting up to. Anyway, see you guys in the bed. We are Decembering. Oh, I all, do you guys see my sister? Do you see her? So somehow I got kidnapped from Belly Rise by Philip. We're here. Charlie's doing Volt. We're going to Volt, yeah? Anyway, we're here. You can see the sign Volt. See my hat in the flesh. Look at my hat around Kampala. Oh, sorry. Thank you. I got you too. Look at my hat. Just moving around freaking Volt. Yeah, you said double whiskey. I told you whatever you're having. Philip, say hi to the people again. We're having fun. You don't even DJ. Tell me about your UK life, y'all. Tell me about your UK life, y'all. About to deport me because I don't know people. Toronto. Drizzy drink.
This one that's 6 foot, this one that's 256.
You can accent left.
You're taking a piss. I ain't gonna say
I'm taking a piss? What do you know? So, rise up lights. What am I saying? Rise up lights.
you're sweat.